Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. Today we're going to be looking at how to make repost private on TikTok. Pay attention to the steps I have to show you. They should help you to solve this issue easily. The first thing we need to do is to open TikTok app. Once we are inside the main menu, we will click on our profile with the bottom in the lower right corner of the screen. Here, we will see the videos we have uploaded, the ones we have reposted, and the one we have saved to watch it in the future. Pay attention now. Let's tap on the 3 line in the top menu. 3 options will appear, and we should click on the one that says Settings and Privacy. Now we find ourselves in the General Privacy menu. Then tap on Privacy again and scroll down until you can see the Interaction section. In this list of mine, the Repost option doesn't appear. It could be because it's not available in my region or because the application is not updated. Nevertheless, here's what you should do. Go into the Repost option and change it from public to private. This way, your repost can only be viewed by your friends or by you.